In this video, we will show you how to replace your power steering return line that goes from your steering box to your steering cooler on this Dodge Ram. Let's get into it. We're going to be locating the steering box. Now on this, you'll find that you have two lines with fittings leading into it. We want the one that's a little bit further away from the center of the vehicle. We'll use an 18 millimeter to attempt to loosen this. You might find that the fitting is stuck on the line itself. And if that's the case, you might end up breaking the line. That's okay, we're replacing it anyway. Use an 18 millimeter. On this line. And like I said, it's stuck on the line. If you need to cut the line, you can use some long cutters. It's really up to you. There we are. We can remove the line from in this area. We'll let this drain into a collection bucket. Now we can fully remove that fitting. Use my wrench to get it nice and loose here. There's that fitting. Go ahead and recycle that. Now at this point, we can remove the hose from the power steering cooler. To do this, squeeze the clamp, slide it towards the cooler. Once you've done that, you can remove the hose. Now we can remove the hose from the cooler. There it is, friends. All right, now we can get ready to install our line. Make sure that you install the brand new gasket that comes with it. I'll just slide that right on there. At this point, we'll be taking this end, slide it underneath the other line, and put it into the hole in the box. It should come around. Make sure you start this in by hand. You do not want to cross thread this into the box. Use our 18 millimeter wrench. Make sure it's nice and tight. Take the other end and put it on the power steering cooler. Install your clamp. In the proper position here. Let's make sure this is in the proper placement. You should see a little bit of the hose on the other side of the clamp. Double check to make sure that's nice and tight. The next thing you would want to do would be to clean up your mess and then make your way up top so we can fill the power steering system. Let's remove our power steering cap so we can fill the fluid. Now that we've run the vehicle for a little bit, we'll turn it back off and we're going to check the fluid level. Put the cap in here. What we're looking to see is that we're up to par. I can see the full cold line here and I'm just above it. This is perfect. Let's put the cap on here. Once you're sure that the fluid is full, continue on to cleaning your mess, double check for leaks, and then take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.